Of management of resources and responsibilities for dealing with this humanitarian aspect. This is the capacity is often termed as the reverse phenomenon of vulnerability. It is defined as a combination of all the strengths, attributes, what are the resources available, and within the community, the society, organization, which can be used to achieve goals. So for us, the other two hospitals, Margarius and Holy Cross Hospital. To be a part of this training today, because this training is not meant only for the TSMH, it's also meant for you, both the hospitals. You have to prepare your own disaster management hospital plan.